Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Mosby made a request in the comments for Clorox. Thank you, Mosby, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $17 billion, Clorox is a S&P 500 company within the household and personal products industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5%. Earnings growth, 2.5%. Earnings estimates, minus 3.53%. Return on capital, 25.8%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.57 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.25%. Payout ratio, 103.38%. Growth rate, 7.68%. Growth years, 44 years. That gives Clorox 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Clorox is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Clorox in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.